Hey everyone, want to customize how Vent works? Ventoy offers several settings that let you personalize the boot menu, adjust compatibility options, and configure advanced features for your bootable USB drive. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to change Ventoy settings step by step, so let's get started. First, make sure you're using the latest version of Vent. New releases often include additional configuration options, bug fixes, and improved compatibility. Next, open your Vent USB drive in File Explorer. Many Vent settings are managed through configuration files stored on the USB drive. If the required configuration folder doesn't already exist, you may need to create it before adding a configuration file. Open the Vent configuration file using a plain text editor. Here you can customize supported settings such as the boot menu appearance, default boot behavior, themes, menu options, and other advanced features. Be careful to keep the file's syntax correct when making changes. After making your changes, save the configuration file and safely eject the USB drive. Saving the file correctly ensures Vent can read your updated settings during the next boot. Restart your computer and boot from the Vent USB drive. Verify that your new settings have been applied correctly. You should see any supported changes reflected in the Ventoy boot menu. If something doesn't work as expected, simply edit the configuration file again, correct the settings, or restore the default configuration. This makes it easy to experiment without permanently affecting your USB drive, and that's how to change Vent settings. By customizing the configuration file, you can personalize your Vent boot menu and adjust supported features to better match your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.